In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import PowerPoint slides into Google Slides, a handy skill that can save you time and simplify your workflow. Moving presentations between different platforms is something many of us deal with, especially if we collaborate with teams using various software. So, let's jump right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you haven't done so already, sign in to your Google account. If you're new to Google Slides, it's part of Google Workspace, and it offers robust features to design and present slides easily online. Once you're on Google Slides, start a new presentation by clicking the plus new button, usually located on the top left. You'll either see this directly or as an option after selecting a drop-down menu. This will create a fresh presentation where you can import your existing PowerPoint slides. Next, look to the menu bar at the top of the Google Slides interface. Click on File, and then select Import Slides from the drop-down menu. This feature allows you to bring in slides from other presentations, including PowerPoint files. You'll then be prompted to either upload a file from your computer or select one from your Google Drive. If your PowerPoint presentation is saved on your computer, click the Upload tab, followed by Select a file from your device. Find and select your PowerPoint file, which should be in the .ppt or .pptx format. An uploading window will appear as Google Slides processes the presentation. Once the upload finishes, a new window will pop up displaying the slides from your presentation, allowing you to choose which slides to import. If you prefer importing from your Google Drive, stay in the Presentations tab. Navigate your Drive folders until you find your PowerPoint file and then click on it. Google Slides will load the file similarly, displaying the slides you can import into your new presentation. For both methods, you'll see thumbnails of your slides. You can import all slides by selecting them collectively or just choose the specific ones you need by clicking on individual thumbnails. Once you've made your selections, click the Import Slides button located at the bottom right of the window. After the slides are imported into Google Slides, double-check their formatting. Sometimes, elements like fonts or alignments might need slight adjustments due to differences between PowerPoint and Google Slides. Remember, importing slides is just the start. Google Slides offers extensive tools to further enhance your presentation, be it through online collaboration, adding multimedia, or using built-in templates. That's it. You now know how to import PowerPoint slides efficiently into Google Slides. This skill can certainly help keep your projects streamlined and accessible across different platforms. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.